Yes, dear students, welcome to Diamond Group of Institution. So, myself, Mr. Shivakumar sir. Already we completed the 6th classes, dear students. This is 7th one classes. We are going very slowly because we want to. Our intention is what we should be understood understood the exercise, dear students. Now, today, come to the exercise here. Exercise number 1.2 is the dear students. So what is the bit? Fifth bit. Already I taught you which one? Exercise 1.2 I taught you, dear students. Already we started first to fourth question I explained. So in the fifth question, find the number of terms in each of the following APs. In this fifth question, having the two questions are there, we are finding what n. We are finding the number of terms, dear students. So what is the question here? First question is 7, 13, 19, and so on. 205 is there. Last term also given and sequence is given. We are finding what n is equal to how much? That is the question. So now you get it the first a equal to 7 and common difference is equal to a2 minus a1. a2 is 13 is there. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6, dear students. And the last term is an is equal to 205. N we are finding, dear students. Okay, and we are finding. So now formula is there. A plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close d is equal to an. So now a value is 7 plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close 6 is equal to 205. Now 7 as it is plus 6 into n equal to 6 n plus into minus 6 on the 6. Afterwards here is 205 is that is as it is to write it. Next 6 and I wrote as it is 7 plus 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. That one when we will transfer that side that has become a minus 1, dear students. So n is there is equal to 205 minus 1 is equal to 204 divided by 6. 6 on the 6. 6 is 18, remainder is 2, 24, 6 4 is 24. Means the number of terms is equal to here, dear students, 34. I thought you understood. Here nothing is there. A value is one more time. A value is 7. Common difference is 6. A is equal to 205. N is equal to question mark. This is the formula. Substitute the value. Afterwards we came here 6 into n 6n. 6 into 1 is equal to 6 minus 6. 205 plus 7 minus 6 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1. Cancel that side. That is become minus 1. 6n is equal to 205 minus 1. N is equal to 205 minus 1 equal to 204 divided by 6 is the 18, 6 4 is 24. Means number of terms is equal to 34, dear students. I thought you understood very well. So similarly, second question is that you come to the here second question. Here a is equal to 18 is there. A is equal to 18. Common difference we are finding. Here mixed fraction is there. We are converting to the improper fraction. 250 is a 30. 30 plus 1 is equal to 31 by 2. 31 by 2. Second term minus first term. First term is 18 by 1 is that. Cross multiplication 1 into 31 is equal to 31. 2 into 18 equal to 36. 2 on the 2 came answer. So plus 31 minus 36 equal to answer we got minus 5 by 2, dear students. That is the common difference. A is equal to already we know that minus 47. N is equal to number of terms is equal to question mark, dear students. Next identity is that a plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close d is equal to an. A value is 18 plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close. Common difference is minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 47. Then here 18 is translated that side, that is become minus 18. Here minus 5 upon 2 into n is equal to minus 5n by 2, and minus into minus is equal to plus 5 by 2 into 1 is equal to 5 by 2 is equal to, we got answer is minus 47 minus 18. Next minus 47 minus 18 is equal to minus 65, dear students. Here commonly denominator same is there, that's why we should be taking one time denominator. 5n minus 5n plus 5 is equal to as it is, this denominator become a here numerator. Next minus 5n as it is minus 65 plus 2 is equal to 65 2 is 130, and here plus 5 is there. Transfer that is will become minus 5. Then here n is equal to minus 130 minus 5 is equal to minus 135, and minus 5 is there. Minus 5 is become denominator. Minus minus both are get cancelled. 5 2 are 10, 5 is 35. Means the number of terms is equal to here second question, dear students. 27. One time here, first in this bit, fifth question, having the two bits are the two questions are there. First question is equal to 34 came answer. Second question is equal to plus 27 dear students. I thought you understood very well. Here nothing is there. Like that only he will give the questions. You should be solve the one by one. Now I thought you understood this question. Dear student, fifth question, first and second question I explained to you. Now we will go to the which one? Question number 6, dear students. In this exercise, total 20 questions are there, dear students, and we are going to the next 6th question, dear students. Yes, dear students. Now we are going to the 6th question. What is the 6th question? Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2, so on is there. Okay. So such type of the question, like that only question we did in the example question. Example question में एक क्वेश्चन ऐसा था हम करें. अब नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स हम इसको an बोल के कंसीडर करना करके हम सॉल्यूशन करते जाना डियर स्टूडेंट्स. करने के टाइम में हमको ये फ्रैक्शन में नहीं आया या नेगेटिव में फ्रैक्शन में नहीं आया बोले तो हम समझ लेना -150 आल्सो वन ऑफ द टर्म ऑफ द गिवन AP बोल के हम समझ लेना. ओके. सो a is equal to in this sequence a is equal to 11 is there. Common difference is equal to 8 minus 11 is equal to, we got here 3. Which 3? Minus 3. T2 minus T1. Yeah, A2 minus A1 is equal to 11. 8 minus 11 is equal to, we got also minus 3. And AN is considered minus 150. And we are finding n. n is equal to question mark. n whole number में and integers में आया बोले तो हम समझ लेना that is also one of the term. Sorry, वो एक whole number में आया तो हम समझ लेना कि वो क्या है, एक इस सीक्वेंस का एक टर्म है बोल के समझ लेना. Next question, dear students. Here a plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close d is equal to an. Then here a value is 11 plus common difference, sorry, n minus 1 common difference is minus 3 is equal to minus 150. Next step, here 11 as it is there, so minus 11 as it is, plus into minus 3n and minus 3 is equal to minus 150. This step, listen carefully, look at the board here students. 11 I wrote as it is, plus into minus 3 into n equal to 3n, minus into minus is equal to what, dear students? Plus 3 is equal to minus 150. Now I am writing here minus 3n is equal to minus 150. Minus 150 here, plus 11 plus 3 is equal to plus 40. Answer that side, that is become minus 13. Minus 13, dear students. Now minus 3n is equal to minus 163. Minus 163. Then n is equal to minus 163 upon minus 3. Both are get cancelled. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Remainder is 1. 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. Means this is coming in the decimal. ये decimal में आ रहा है. इसके लिए 150 is a not a terms of a given AP. This is answer. We can say answer is no. Answer नहीं है. 150 is a not a term of the given AP. This is the solution answer. Solution, dear students. One more time explanation, dear students. Listen carefully. Check whether ये question में क्या दिया है. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP level 8, 5 and 2 so on is there. ये जो AP का जो sequence है, ये sequence के अंदर minus 150 भी एक term है क्या नहीं बोल के पूछ रहा है. हम समझ लेना ये minus 150 is considered n बोल के समझ ले कि हम काम करना है. सॉल्यूशन करना. सॉल्यूशन करने के बाद n होल नंबर में आया तो हम समझ लेना कि वो एक टर्म है. होल नंबर में नहीं आया, फ्रैक्शन में आया या डेसिमल में आया बोला तो हम समझ लेना वो एक टर्म नहीं है बोल के समझ लेना. I told you what n is only whole number. Common number of terms is equal to whole number रहना, डेसिमल नहीं रहना. One more time explanation. A is equal to 11. Common difference is equal to T2 minus A2 minus A1. It is K minus 3. N is equal to minus 150. N is equal to question mark, dear students. So A plus in the bracket N minus 1 bracket plus equal to D is equal to A. A value is 11 plus N minus 1 bracket plus minus 3 is equal to minus 150. 11 is there, plus into minus 3 into n equal to 3n, minus into minus equal to plus 3 is there, is equal to 150, dear students. In minus 3 as it is there, minus 150 also as it is, plus 11 plus 3 is equal to minus plus 13, transfer so that it become minus 13, minus 3n is equal to minus 150 minus 13 is equal to minus 163, and n is equal to minus 163 upon minus 3n, both are get cancelled. And 163 is not divisible by 3, that is it will become in the decimal में आएगा. इसके लिए हम क्या बोलना चाहिए, minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. इस AP के अंदर minus 150 एक term नहीं है, इसके लिए आंसर is no, dear student. I thought you understood very well 6th question. Let us go to the 7th question, dear students. Yes, dear students, let us come to the 7th question. 7th question is what? Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 36 and 16th term is 73, dear students. Like that question we did in the example question. In the example question also having the like that question. Example के अंदर ऐसा question है, इसी तरह उसी का मेथड लेकर क्या करना चाहिए, फॉलो करना चाहिए, dear student. I will explain that now. I am explaining the 7th question. 8th question you will do the homework. very easy question is that आपको इस 7th क्वेश्चन और एग्जांपल क्वेश्चन देखे तो आपको क्या हो जाएगा, 8th क्वेश्चन आएगा, dear students. 8th क्वेश्चन क्या करना चाहिए, आप सॉल्यूशन करना चाहिए, dear students. Okay, let us come to the 7th solution. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 36 and 16th term is 73, dear students. Okay, already I told you a 11th term equal to is given 36, dear students. And a 16th term is equal to 73 given. Okay, now we will find out the what, a 31st term. A 31 is equal to question mark. 31 term is equal to question mark. Okay, now a 11th term, A11 is written as a plus 10d is equal to 36. This is first equation. This is be written as a plus 15d is equal to 73, dear students. Now we are doing the subtraction. Directly I took a 11th term is written as a plus 10d is equal to 36. 16th term means a plus 15d is equal to 73. Now we are doing the subtraction here, dear students. Plus is become minus, plus is become minus, plus is become minus. Now both are get cancelled. Here this is become minus 5d is equal to, here plus into minus 13 minus 6 is equal to 13 minus 6 is equal to, here 5 plus 3 8, dear students. And now 6 is there, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 38. Common difference is equal to minus 38 by minus 5. Once again, dear students, 11th term is equal to 36 is there, and 16th term is given here. 31st term is equal to 38. Sorry, dear students, here 38 is there. Here 38, here also 38. And here also 38, dear students. We got here 38 and 16th term is equal to 73 is there. We got here answer, which one? 35. So 13 minus 8 is equal to 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Here 6 is there. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Minus 35. Here 35 and minus both are get cancelled. 5 7s are 35. D is equal to, we got here 7, dear students. Common difference is equal to, we got 7. Common difference is equal to 7. Now we will find out the A. We will find out any one equation you can take it. A plus 10d is equal to, I am taking 38. Now A plus
10 into 7 and is equal to 38. Then A is equal to 38 minus 10 sevens are 70. Translation minus 70, dear students. A value is equal to 10 minus 8 is equal to 2, dear students. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 32. We got answer here minus 32, dear students.
Now one more time, half question we completed. A 11th term is equal to 38, 16th term equal to 73, A 31st term we are finding. So A 11th term A plus 10D is equal to 38, A 16th means A plus 15D is equal to 73. Plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. Plus A minus A both are get cancelled. Plus 10D minus 15D is equal to minus 5D is equal to here plus 73 minus plus 38 minus 73 answer is equal to we got minus 15. So 73 के अंदर हम क्या करना चाहिए 38 माइनस करना चाहिए. It is become 30, it is become 6. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Here 3. 35 we got here. 35 we got. So minus 35. Next up, this minus 5 is become denominator. Minus minus get cancelled. 5 7s are 35. Next, I took this first equation, substituted there. A plus 10D is equal to 38. A plus 10. Common difference we got here 7. 10 7 is 70. A is equal to 38. That is translated so that it become minus 70. Answer we got here minus 32. Common difference is equal to 32. Let us come to the question, dear students. हमने ये दोनों इक्वेशन लेके कॉमन डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करें और फर्स्ट टर्म फाइंड आउट करें. नाउ वी आर फाइंडिंग द A31st term. A31 term is equal to A plus 30D. A plus 30D. Now A value equal to minus 32 and plus 30. Common difference is equal to 7. Here minus 32 and plus into plus 7 3 is 21. 210, dear students. Common difference is equal to 7 is there 210. Next one, here subtraction is there. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8 and 10 minus here 200. 10 is there and subtraction 32. This is become 10. This is become 0. Now 10 minus 2 is equal to 8 and it is become 10. It is become 1. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 and 1. Answer we got 178, dear students. A31st term is equal to we got here minus 178. Once again, dear students, look at the book. This here 3 questions are there. First, second and third 3 questions. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73 is there. A11th term is equal to 38, A16th term is equal to 73, A31st term is equal to question mark. A is equal to A plus 10D is equal to 38 is there. Means 11th term is written as A plus 10D and 16th term is written as A plus 15D is equal to 73. When we did the simplification, we got answer common difference is same. So any one equation we can take and substitute there. A value we got here minus 32 and afterwards we are finding the 31st term. A 31st term is equal to A plus 30D is there and A value is minus 32 and plus 30. Common difference is 7. So minus 32. 30 7 is 210. 210 is minus 32 करे तो 178 is our answer, dear students. Okay, I thought and you understood the 7th question, dear students. 7th question. Now we will go to the 9th question. 8th question we will do the homework, dear students. Homework कर लीजिए 8th का question. 9th question अब मैं explain करूँगा, dear students. Yes, dear students. Let us come to the 9th question. What is the 9th question here? If the third and 9th term of the APs are 4 and minus 8 is there, minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? This is the question. इसका मीनिंग क्या है बोले तो उन्होंने थर्ड टर्म और 9th टर्म दे चुका है. कौन सा जो टर्म है वो टर्म 0 बन सकता है. That is the question. 0 is the this AP is 0. Which term of this AP is? ये जो AP है थर्ड एंड 9th टर्म का जो वैल्यू दिया है उस AP का जो सीक्वेंस लिखते गए तो 0 कौन सा टर्म रहेगा बोल के पूछा है, डियर स्टूडेंट्स. That's why This is a very easy question, dear students. We are taking some difficulties and nothing. So third term means A3 is equal to what? A3 is 4, dear students. A3 is 4 and A9 is equal to minus 8, dear students. Okay, already you know that A3 is written as A plus 2B is equal to, we got here, we already know that there is 4, and A9 term means A plus 8D is equal to minus 8, dear students. Here plus is become minus, plus is become minus, minus is become plus. Understand it? Plus is become minus, plus is become minus, minus is become plus. Now this both are get cancelled. 2D minus 8D is equal to 6D is equal to plus 8 plus 4 is equal to, we got here 12. D is equal to 12 divided by 6. Answer, common difference is equal to 2, dear students. Common difference is 2. I thought you understood common difference. So here, and afterwards we will find out the which one. A I am taking this the first equation. A plus 2D is equal to 4 is equal to 4, dear students. Here A and plus here 2 and common difference is 2 is equal to 4. Now A is equal to 4, dear students, and 4 A is equal to 4, 2 2s are 4, let's consider that minus 4. A is equal to what? 0. Common difference is, sorry, A value is 0 and A value is 0 and common difference is 2k. So what is the question? A3 is equal to 4, A9 term is equal to minus 8 is there. So A plus 2D is equal to 4, A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Plus is become minus, plus is become minus, minus is become plus. Both are get cancelled. Here we got here we got answer minus 8D and plus 2D equal to here minus 6D, and here minus 8 is there, this is become plus 2D, minus 6 means minus 2. Common difference is equal to, dear students, minus 2, and here minus 2 is become here minus 4 only, minus 4 is become plus 4. We got here A is equal to 8, dear students. First term is equal to 8 and common difference is equal to 2. Once again, here I did the mistake. Here minus 8 is there, that is become plus 8, dear students, plus 12, and minus 8D plus 2D is equal to answer minus 6D. 6 and the 6 to the 12, its common difference is equal to minus 2, and we are getting the A value. A plus 2D is equal to 4, dear students. A plus 2 in the bracket minus 2 is equal to 4, and A I wrote is equal to as it is 4 as it is, plus into minus 2 to the 4, that 4 is answer, that's will become plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to plus 8. Now we are finding the which term is the 0. Now look at here, A plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close D is equal to an. Now A value is 8 plus n minus 1 bracket close, common difference is equal to minus 2 and an is equal to 0. Now dear students, here A plus into minus 2n minus into minus plus 2 is equal to 0. Next step, dear students, here minus 2n as it is equal to plus 8 plus 2 is equal to plus 10. Transfer this side, minus 10 minus both are get cancelled. N is equal to 10 by 2, n is equal to 5. Means fifth term is the 0 of the given sequence. Given AP, दिए गए AP का जो इस AP का जो फॉर्म है, उस फॉर्म में 0 कौन सा टर्म रहेगा बोले तो 0 is the fifth term, dear students. I thought you understood very well this question. But one more time I will explain this solution, dear students. Question, first of all, recap here. First of all, you listen the question, read the question properly. If the third and the ninth term of APs are 4 and minus 8 is there, minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Now first term A3 is equal to 4 A9 is equal to minus 8 is there. A3 is written as A plus 2D is equal to 4 and A9 is written as A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Plus has become minus, plus has become minus, minus has become plus. Dear students, both are get cancelled. Minus 8 plus 2D is equal to minus 16 is equal to plus 8 plus 4 is equal to plus 12. D is equal to 12 and minus 6 is the denominator. 6 to 12 plus 2 minus minus. Common difference is equal to 2. Next we are getting the A plus 2D is equal to 4, A plus 2, common difference is minus 2 is equal to 4 and A is there and 4 as it is, plus into minus minus, minus 2 to the 4 is become, minus 4 is become plus 4 and A equal to 4 plus 4 equal to 8 dear students. Now we are finding the which term is in this AP, which term is the 0. That's why A plus in the bracket and minus the bracket plus is equal to D is equal to A. A value is 8 is there and plus n minus 1 and the common difference already know that is minus 2 is equal to 0. 8 as it is plus into minus minus 2 into n equal to 2n minus into minus is equal to plus 2 into 1 equal to 2 is equal to 0. Next here n 2n minus 2n I wrote as it is and is equal to and plus 8 plus 2 is equal to plus 10 plus 10 transfer that side that is become minus 10 minus both are getting cancelled and is equal to 10 by 2 is the dear students 2 on the 2 2 5s are 10 which number of terms is equal to dear students 5. I thought you understood very well dear students and the 10th question you will do the homework. I will explain the 11th question dear students. Yes dear students, the 10th question I thought I told you 10th question you will do the homework but 10 is some difficulty is there. This is a new method is sorry another difficult question is there, that's why method is changed there, that's why I am explaining here 10th question dear students. What is the 10th question? The 17th term of an AP is exists it's a 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Already we know that letter L, A is the first term and D is the common difference. So next term, according to the question, A 17th term is equal to A 10th term exists by 7. That is the question. One more time dear students. So here 17th term of an AP is AP. 17th term is AP. Exists it's a 10th term by 7. 10th term को 7 ज्यादा करने के बाद वो 17th term को इक्वल हो जाएगा हुआ तो वो कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या है बोल के पूछ रहा है. व्हाट इज द कॉमन डिफरेंस dear students? Okay, let us see the solution here. A17 means written as A plus 16D and A10 means A plus 9D is equal plus 7 is there. Next step here dear students, this A and plus 16D and this bring this side minus A and minus 9D is equal to 7 dear students. Let us see here A plus 16D I wrote as it is equal to A plus 9D. I brought this side and 7 I kept there only. Plus A minus A both are get cancelled. 16D minus 9D is equal to answer we got 7D upon 7D is equal to 7. 16 में से 9D चले गए तो 7 बचा. So D is equal to 7 by 7. Both are get cancelled. Common difference is equal to 1 dear students. What he asked in this question, you should be find out the common difference. Question is what is there? Find the common difference. This is the question. One more time expression dear students. The 17th term of an AP is exists its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. He asked dear students. Let us A is the first term, D is the common difference. According to the question, 17th term is equal to exist 10th term plus 7. इस सेंटेंस के अंदर 10th term को प्लस 7 करें तो आंसर कितना है वो इसको इक्वल रहेगा 17th term को इक्वल होगा बोल के वो क्वेश्चन में स्टेटमेंट दिया है. ये 17th term is written as A plus 16D is equal to A 10th term is written as A plus 9D plus 7. So next this is I wrote here only as it is and afterwards I wrote this plus A is become minus A plus 9D is become minus D is equal to 7. Both are get cancelled. 16D minus 7 9D is equal to 7D is equal to 7. Next D is equal to 7 by 7. Both are get cancelled. Common difference is equal to 1 dear students. Remaining in this exercise, remaining 10 questions are there. So I will explain the remaining 5 questions. So similar, which type of सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस आर देयर। जो आगे का भी क्वेश्चंस है उसके अंदर सिमिलर क्वेश्चन रहे तो मैं क्या करूंगा, आपको होमवर्क के लिए दे दूंगा। स्टूडेंट होमवर्क करते जाए, एप्लीकेशन क्वेश्चन है। इसी तरह का क्वेश्चन आप समझ लिए तो आपको एग्जाम्स में 4 मार्क्स में के अंदर इस तरह के रहने वाला क्वेश्चन या प्रीवियस रहने वाला क्वेश्चन, वैसा क्वेश्चन आपको रहेगा, आप उसको प्रैक्टिस करते जाना चाहिए। ओके, टुडे वी विल स्टॉप हियर ओनली डियर स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, थैंक यू एंड